We are here for cliff jumping. This is the height.
Like in a swimming pool?
It's more than a swimming pool.
What's that?
This height is more than a swimming pool.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's very high. Can we come down yet?
Hey, Tanu.
Huh?
It's video. It's taking video. Just take mine just for a minute.
Oh, okay.
We have come for cliff jumping.
Oh, I just don't want to come back
This
out
is where
there.
we are going to jump now.
And we are going to jump there. If I survive, then show it to me later. Yeah, if I survive. Oh my god.
We have to climb down a little bit over there and then jump.